Hi there, in this video we're going to go over how to set up your profile and verify your skills. Your profile will allow you to be discovered in our search results. It's also the first impression you'll make on potential clients. Most of the fields in the profile setup process will be fairly straightforward, like adding a profile photo, your title and your location. You'll also have the opportunity to enter impact goals that let clients know how you want to make a difference. At Work for Impact, we're committed to making a safe and trustworthy platform where both freelancers and clients can feel secure. To accomplish this, we need to verify your skills to make sure you're an expert in what you do. This helps clients feel more confident about hiring you. You will be able to verify more skills after through your profile page. Skills are verified either through automated tests or a video submission. Our tests consist of a number of questions to check your knowledge of the specific skill you have chosen. To become verified, you'll need to achieve the minimum score within the allotted time limit. Some skills will not have automatic tests associated with them. In these cases, you'll need to record a video or arrange a Skype interview with one of our customer service agents. Through the video or interview, you'll have a chance to share your education and experience and explain why you're qualified to work on projects that require the skill in question. To help us verify your skills, we encourage you to include links to your professional profiles and upload your CV and any relevant documents along with your video recording. That's it. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to working with you.